Hi, Miss Bago City.
Hi.
Bago City, can you introduce yourself to our viewers?
Of course. Hello, everyone. So, I am Bernie Laren, representing Bago City of Negros Occidental.
Negrense.
Yes po,
Wow.
Ilongga.
Wow.
Yes.
Anyway, going back to congratulations. You're Miss
Yeah.
Bingo Plus
Thank you
today. Ano
po.
nararamdaman mo?
Well, actually, I wasn't expecting this one because ang dami namin, no? So, everyone is deserving to be. But, of course, I was chosen to be Miss Bingo Plus 2026 and I was so grateful. Thanks to God. This is all because of him.
Yes, I like your gown na very simple lang
Yeah.
na blue, may blue,
Yes.
royalty.
Elegance pa because this is actually the signature of my designer James Larnell. Just a simple, not too much beaded, but elegance all the way.
Yeah. And it looks really sustainable
Wow.
din
Yeah, actually,
to the
because
brand.
we're really trying to make it like simple, but classy at the same time, presentable and glowing.
Diba?
Yes po.
Diba naka-award na tayo?
Yeah.
So going back to you, so Miss Earth itself is a advocacy-driven pageant. So what's your advocacy?
Well, my advocacy is about youth lead eco workshop because this is very rooted to my personal story. This is about youth connecting spaces and giving safe life that we are not only educating them about environmental practices, sustainability, but also we are saving lives of the youth, especially the children, because I believe that I would like to remind everyone what our beloved hero Jose Rizal said, that ang kabataan ang tanging pag-asa ng bayan. And I believe we should still uplift that till this next generation. So that is my advocacy all about.
And lastly, what's your message to all Negrenses and all your
Yeah.
kababayan na proud sa'yo ngayon?
Of course. So mga Kailongga, Negrense, as Negrenseng babae, I'm very excited to share what's more ahead of this journey. And thank you so much for keeping watching me and supporting me. And of course, I hope the next year, hindi lang po ako yung mag-represent ng Negros here, but all of the women who is capable and responsible for saving the earth. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much and congratulations
Thank you
once again, Miss
po.
Bago.
God bless.
Thank you.